let's unbox it. Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready for this case collection, and it's all luxury.
Make them sing to this pussy like a melody. And if your bitch ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me. Bad bitch, I could be your fantasy.
Can't nobody tell me nothing when I got this case on because so no, okay, let me stop playing. Hello? Hello? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jazmine. Tania, by the title of this video, y'all know what I'm doing. So recently I did a video. It was a luxury case collection and y'all like that, so I'm doing it again. I got new cases. It is what it is. But before we get into this video, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, join the gang, period, because why not? What you're waiting on, let me know. But if you ain't follow me on Instagram or anything yet, it will be somewhere in the screen. But yeah, all you gotta do is search my YouTube name and that should pop up on any social media like Instagram, for instance. But yeah, so last time y'all seen my video, I had one of these cases and I like this case. It's cute. Y'all know, told y'all it was a mirror case. So yeah, I'm about to unbox it, I'm about to review it, I'm about to put it on my phone, and I'm gonna just show y'all everything because I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. But yeah, let's get into this video. And the noise y'all hearing in the background is the fan, because y'all know I be hot. If y'all new to my channel, y'all don't know, but if y'all been here a while, y'all know I be hot. So yeah, let's get into this video. So okay, y'all, so the phone that I got right now is still an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I got this phone, and yeah, if y'all didn't watch that video yet, y'all should watch it. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box. But okay, let's get into this video. Let's unbox it. Goodness, this package tight, which is good, as it should be. Okay, are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready for this case collection. Y'all might have seen part 1, but this is part 2, because this is a whole new collection and it's all luxury. So what's the first one? Yeah, okay y'all, so this first one y'all see, this is cute. Okay, let me sit this down. So yeah, this one is cute. It's black and match me right now, period. You feel me? Got on my Juicy Couture. Yeah, it's matching me right now. So okay, let's unbox this thing. It looked like it's protective too, so we about to see. And I'm not gonna sugarcoat, I'm gonna tell y'all everything. Ooh, okay, so this one right here is a black Prada. This hair was on my lip, but okay. Okay y'all, so this one right here is a black Prada one. It's a wallet actually, as you can see. Where is it? How you do this? Oh, so yeah, as you can see, it's a wallet. You just lift it up and bam bam bam. But I'm about to show y'all what it looked like up close, and then I'm going to put it on my phone so y'all can see it. It's cute, it's giving, it's matching me right now. Okay, period. If you ain't subscribed already, subscribe, join the gang. But alright y'all, I'm about to show y'all. This is what it's giving. It says Prada. This is the side of it, and bam, you know, normal stuff. And then yeah, it's a wallet. This is what the wallet looks like. And yeah, I'm about to put it on my phone. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like. Right now it's the Christian Dior case on it, but I'm about to take it off and we about to swap it out so y'all can see what it's giving, and I'm gonna show y'all everything. And by the way, this one right here, this is protective too. So yeah, I'm not just reviewing cases that's cute and not protective, because what's the point if it's cute but your phone gonna be cracked? So I threw that case to the side. Now it's time to put the new one on. But okay, I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing. If it's protective, it's protective. But okay, it's kind of cute. Okay, so let me see, can this close? It opens easily, which is kind of whack, but it's still cute, you know. But yeah, okay, so this one, is it closed all the way? I mean, is it on all the way? It looks a little weird. I thought this one was protective like towards the front, but it's not. It's like an even line, like it's not no bumper or nothing, but towards the back, towards the camera, it's protective. But I'm gonna show y'all up close so y'all can see it. Y'all see how easy this open? Like dang, what if you was in the club and you just bloop and all your stuff fall out, bro, and you don't even know because you're drunk or something, you know? But okay, I'm about to show y'all what this is giving. Bam, bam. This is what it looks like with my phone on it. And yeah, y'all see what I mean? Like it's not protective. Usually it's like, oh, it's like a 444. But usually it'd be protective like a bump right here, but it's not right there. And as y'all can see, this opens easily. It's a button that you can press down. Okay, it's not doing it now. Maybe I just didn't have the button pressed down all the way. But yeah, it's not popping open now. So I guess this case is good, but it's not protective towards your front screen. And if you don't care about that, then you can get this case. But yeah, this case is cute. This is case number 1. I got 3 more to go. I'm about to go to the next case. And let's go dig it out the bag because I don't know which one I'm getting out. So the next case I'm pulling out, I don't even know. Like I'm just digging in the bag. But okay, y'all can see it before me. Okay, so this, oh, okay, so this case is cute. It's a Louis Vuitton case, but it's clear and it's like pink. Y'all know I like pink, so y'all can see my background. Y'all know that. But okay, so I'm about to open this and then I'm gonna put it on my phone, then y'all can see it. So yeah, give me a minute. So it comes in this little clear package. That's the boring part. I hope this case is protective because it's cute, but yeah. It's cute. It's giving it. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like up close, and then I'm gonna put it on my phone and show y'all again. But yeah, this is clear, then it's pink prints on it or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all. This is what it's giving. Okay, y'all, now that y'all seen it, I'm about to put it on my phone, then I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, it's gonna be cute because I got a white phone, you know, well, the silver phone. But yeah, comment down below which case y'all like the best out of all these collections I did, like the luxury collections. Let me know. But okay, so yeah, let me put this on. I hope this case is protective because it's whack if it's not, you know. But okay, so I'm putting it on now. Oh, I think it's protective, y'all. Okay. So let me peel this little thing off. Okay, y'all. Ooh, I might like this case. It feels good. You could grip it good. It's protective on both sides actually. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all what it looks like up close. And yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Y'all about to see. Okay, this is what it looks like on my phone. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like on my phone. It's cute. This might be my favorite one so far. I ain't gonna lie, just because it's protective and yeah, it's cute. It's pink in it and all like pink. So yeah, this might be my favorite case just because it's protective. And yeah, we love protective stuff over here. We don't like cases that's cute but not protective, because if my phone crack or my camera break, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, y'all, it is what it is. This case is cute. This might be my favorite. Now I'm about to show y'all the next one. Okay, y'all, so the next case I'm about to pull out of here, I have 2 more like I told y'all. I don't really know which one this is, but hopefully it's cute. I mean, of course it's cute. I ordered it, but you know, I want to say the best for last. But okay, y'all, so I got 1 more case left after this. This case is actually pretty cute. I just hope it's protected. It's the regular case that says Dior, then they got the charm that says Dior. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like up close once I take this package off of it. But yeah, so far this is my favorite right here so far, because I've seen it on the phone. But at the end of this video, I will show y'all or tell y'all which one is my favorite. Y'all comment down below which one y'all like the best too. But okay, let me open this. Bam. It's just so cute. It's giving bad bitch. Okay. Okay. Bam. Oh, okay. So y'all, this case is just so cute. Hey y'all, so this is what the case looks like up close. You know, says Dior, and then the chain itself, it is a D, I, then it's a big old O, and then where's the R? I lost it. Oh, here's the R. But yeah, this is cute. It's giving. Well, this is what the inside looks like. Damn. Damn. Okay y'all, so I showed y'all what it looks like. Now we're about to see what it looks like on my phone. So far, like I said, this is my favorite one. So yeah, let me take this case off and put this case on, and I'm gonna show y'all again, then I'm gonna give y'all my opinion, okay? But this look like it might not be protective, but then again, like, you never know. But the quality of this, it feels good. It's like, it feels like fabric, like, you know how the purse feel. That's what this feel like. But yeah, okay, let me take this off and put this on, and then yeah, this case is cute, bro. I was like all that junk because, let me make sure. Y'all, my favorite thing, okay, so this case right here, it's protective in the front, like I can see it, but towards the back, towards the camera, it's not. But luckily I got a camera protector thing, and I'm gonna show y'all what that look like with all the cases on after my last case. But yeah, okay, so I'm about to show y'all again. This is so cute. It's cute on my phone, cause what, y'all see that? Imagine yourself in the mirror taking a picture. This case is cute, it's giving, it's making me feel like a bad bitch. And yeah, y'all see this case? I don't think y'all see it, but then y'all see it on my phone though. So like I was saying, this is the side, and like, yeah, it's protective on the, it's protective on the front. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is. It's a border right here or whatever. Like, let me see, let me lay it flat. Y'all can see it now. So yeah, look, it's protective towards the front screen, but towards the back, it isn't that protective. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Okay y'all, now that y'all seen this case, now that I have this case, okay, so I'm stuck between this case and the pink one, the translucent one that y'all saw. I don't know which one my favorite. This one make me feel like a bad bitch, you know? But okay, so yeah, I'm about to show y'all my last case that I have, and then yeah, that might be the end of the video after I show y'all the camera protector. But yeah, if you want more of these videos, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. But okay y'all, don't forget to subscribe, because if y'all want more videos like this, I will do it. Like, what? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this case? What? Can't nobody tell me nothing when I got this case on, because so no, okay, let me stop playing. I'm about to show y'all the next case, and then yeah, I'm talking way too much again. I got one more case in here. Oh, this case is cute. Okay, I know I like pink, as y'all can tell by the background or whatever. This case is pink. This case says, it's a Prada case, but it's pink, and y'all know I like pink. Hopefully it's protected, because like I said once again, well, it's a cute case without protection. But okay y'all, let me open it. Time to open up the next case. I'm excited because it's pink and it's cute, and I hope it's protected, because if it ain't, then what are we doing here? So no, okay, but okay y'all. Oh, this case bubbly. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like up close, and then like again, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on my phone. This is the case. It's giving protection towards the camera. As you can see, it's kind of thick right there. But okay y'all, it's bubbly. It's like, yeah, it's bubbly. This part is like leather and then metal. This is the sides. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is the other side. And again, this is the back. Okay, so this case, I can't even decide which one I want to put on. But okay, this case is cute. This case is going to give for any day, period. But okay, I'm about to put this case on and then I'm going to show y'all. It's so cute. I just don't want to take it off. And it feels so good. Like, the quality of this cases is crazy. And this not no sponsored video. This is my money. But I'm just saying, the quality is like crazy. And I just hope this is protected, bro. I'm about to close my eyes because I don't even want to know that it's not protected. I'm just hoping it is. Okay. Hello? 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 This might be one of my favorites because this case is cute and it's protective. Like, how better can it get? You feel me? But okay, I'm about to show y'all. But this phone, I mean, not this phone, this case, it grips well. You see, I ain't drop it yet, but it grips well. But let me show you. Like with my phone, you can't even tell my phone white. Like the bumpers, it's right there. Y'all, this case is cute and it's protective. Like, how better can it get? I'm about to show y'all my camera protector. It's cute. It's also giving, no matter what case you got, you can put it on with it. Okay, I'm about to show y'all that. It's cute, it's sparkly, it's giving that girl. And yeah, these cases, it will be that girl. But okay, I'm about to show y'all what it's giving. Let me get it out the bag. Okay, y'all, so she must have been nice, or she made a mistake and gave me two. It is a sticker one. It's not like you just place it on there, but yeah, it's a sticker one. I got two of them, which is cool. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what it looks like on my phone. But if you like this video, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe and join the gang if y'all want more of these videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be in the screen. Let me take this off and then I'll get back with y'all. Y'all, like, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So y'all seen what it looks like. It is cute. This case is already one of my favorites. Now I really can't decide. So y'all gotta comment down below and let me know which one y'all like the best, because I can't decide, bro. Especially with this on. Like, how am I supposed to decide? But okay, y'all see this? It's so cute. Okay, I'm about to show y'all. Living on the top, penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is. Hello? Who is this? Who is it? New case. New phone. Who this? So now let me stop playing. Okay, y'all. So yeah, which one do y'all like better? Because I can't decide. With this camera protector, I just don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all all the cases again, side by side. Y'all comment down below which one y'all like the best. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, join the gang, period. And see me in the next video. If y'all want more videos like this, comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.